Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm John Hennessey, and today I am standing here with a factory stock 2021 Ram T-Rex truck. As you all know, it's powered by the Hellcat 6.2 liter supercharged V8 from the factory, and these trucks have been very, very popular with our company over the last several months. And I think right now we have over 50 on our production schedule, and we have about 10 in process right now. So we've already been offering 900 to 1,000 horsepower or Mammoth upgrades. But a while back, I had an opportunity through some friends of ours at FCA, I guess they're Stellantis now, or Chrysler Dodge people, let's just say, to buy a HELLEPHANT motor. So as you may already know, it's a Mopar only piece, so you can put it in things aftermarket. So it's a 426 cubic inch, 7 liter supercharged V8 that produces 1,000 horsepower. So as I walk over here, we thought T-Rex truck that has the Hellcat engine in it, and we've got the crate motor, HELLEPHANT motor here, and we thought, is this something we should marry together? So we're already making 1,000 horsepower without the HELLEPHANT motor, but we also know that from other work that we've done, the HELLEPHANT motor is capable of making maybe upwards of 1,200 horsepower. So I think we're probably going to end up marrying the HELLEPHANT with the T-Rex. It may not be this particular truck. We've got other trucks in production. I've got one that I own that it may end up going to, but we'd love to hear your comments below as far as if this is something that you think is a good idea. We kind of think it is. It seems like kind of like a no-brainer. Should we leave it stock? Should we add more power to it? And while we're on the subject, when we had that opportunity to buy the HELLEPHANT motor from the folks at Mopar, we also had a Hellcat powered Durango coming in. And so we ended up buying 2 of the HELLEPHANT motors, and I think we have a few more coming in. Which one should we do first? I'm kind of thinking maybe we do the Durango first, should we do the T-Rex first? But this is happening. And again, unless somebody here at the company, we have 50 employees and everybody here has a voice, unless somebody's got a really strong reason on why we shouldn't do this, I think we should take the HELLEPHANT motor with 1,000 plus horsepower, maybe upwards of 1,200 horsepower, and marry it with the T-Rex and the Durango. What do you guys think? I think this is something we should do. We should chronicle it. We should have a video series. If you like this idea, please hit the like button. Please hit subscribe. If you think it sucks, tell us you think it sucks, and I'm sure all the other commenters will give you their opinions as well. But this is something we're very excited about. We want to thank the folks at Mopar, Dodge, FCA, Stellantis for just building these incredible, badass SUVs and trucks, and also looking at the aftermarket and say, hey, look, why don't we produce a 7 liter with the HELLEPHANT at 1,000 horsepower? And obviously we know how to modify and get more power out of it. That's what we're talking about today. I think we should do a little series about this, chronicle what these trucks baseline, put the HELLEPHANT motors in, take them out to our racetrack here, see what they do, and then maybe have some interesting matchups. It'd be cool to take a HELLEPHANT powered Durango and T-Rex and take them out and race them against Porsche 911 Turbo S's and things of that nature. So that's my story. Thank you guys for tuning in. I think this is the beginning of some really cool stuff. We're very excited about these vehicles. Again, we have lots and lots of T-Rexes that we're building already. 900 to 1,000 horsepower is really kind of follows in line with the stuff that we've already been doing with the Hellcats over the last several years. We've got the Hellcat powered Durango in the stable now, and let's see what the HELLEPHANT motor does. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.
Drive a stock one when you can drive this.